Hello guys, welcome back to TechHiveHQ, and today I'll show you how to clear your Gradle cache or cache in Android Studio. This is a super useful trick when you're dealing with weird sync or build errors. Let's fix it first. You want to know what is Gradle cache and why you may need to clear it. So Gradle downloads a lot of dependencies and stores them locally to speed up builds, but sometimes that cache gets corrupted or outdated, especially after switching SDKs, libraries, or Android Studio version. That's when you need to clear it, and if you're here to do that, this is the video for you. So there's two options. One is deleting them manually, and two, invalidating caches then restarting. So let's go. Let's do it. So what you're basically going to do is just click on close, exit. You're going to open up your Explorer. Then you're going to go to local DC. Then you're going to go to users. Make sure you have shown hidden file users. Then your name. And then you're going to go to .gradle. You're going to find it here. Then caches. So here, this is the folder you want to delete. So you're going to delete this folder. It's gonna take time, and once it has finished, you're going to go back and reopen Android Studio. And once you have done that, it's going to start updating indexes. It's going to load symbols, download, and it should be good. And you're just going to click on sync now. Go to the next step. You're going to invalidate caches. This is the final trick. So you're going to click on file and invalidate caches. So clear system caches, this. So all of this, invalidate and then restart. And that's it. And remember, do this when Gradle sync keeps failing, builds are stuck or they are crashing, or you switch to a new SDK or downgraded versions. If you are seeing missing or mismatched dependencies, clear cache also. That's it. Clearing your Gradle cache or cache, however you pronounce it, can save you hours of frustration. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe to TechHiveHQ for more clean, beginner-friendly Android tutorials. Comment if you want a tutorial on speeding up builds or fixing dependency issues. See you in the next one.
Perfect.